Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a capable PC and your Apple credentials. Enable virtualization in BIOS, ensure at least 8 GB RAM and 50 GB free. These allow a stable Mac OS VM or simulator. Next, download a verified Mac OS image or sign up for a cloud Mac OS provider, and grab Alt Server/Alt Store if you plan to sideload to a real iPhone. Once done, check network sharing and install virtualization software. This initial setup reduces errors during the next hands-on configuration steps. Now you install and configure the emulation environment. Launch your virtualization app, create a Mac OS VM with 4 or more cores, 8+ GB RAM and a GPT disk, then enable USB pass-through so your phone appears to Mac OS. Inside Mac OS, install Xcode or open the built-in iOS simulator and sign in with the same Apple ID. This provides developer profiles and provisioning. Connect your iPhone by USB and accept trust prompts or run apps in the simulator. Make sure developer mode is enabled to permit app deployment. Finish by deploying your app or using iOS on the PC environment. In Xcode, choose the simulator or your connected device and hit Run. With Alt Store sideload, sign and install the IPA. Keep VM snapshots and backup provisioning profiles so you can revert when updates break compatibility. If something goes wrong, first check USB drivers and that VTX is enabled, reboot the VM, and re-sign provisioning profiles as needed. These steps resolve most connectivity and deployment failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.